It's Jonathan here from COHO, and this is the second video in our finance series. In the first video, we showed you how to set up the all-important property ownership information against each of your properties. In this video, I'll be giving you a quick overview of what the finances panel looks like and how you should expect it to function. So what you'll need to do is log in to COHO and click the finances button in the quick access panel here. That will take you down to this area here. So in video one, I showed you about property ownership. If you forget to do that against any property, you do get a secondary warning here about which properties are yet to have their property ownership information set. So you can access that from this area as well. It then shows you a quick view. So it shows you your income versus your expense over a period of time. It also shows you your expense breakdown and what that looks like across things like compliance, marketing, maintenance, etc. And you can split that out from 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. You then have three options. You've got your financial items, you've got your profitability reports, and you've got your settlements. So as an owned or a master lease / rent-to-rent operator, what you'll be most interested in are your profitability reports. If you're a managing agent, however, the settlements start to come into play because this is where you can break down client money, contractors' bills that are due, and who's due to pay them, whether you're going to absorb the cost or whether you're passing it on. So I'll give some more attention to those three areas as I break it down for those individual situations. But that's a breakdown of what you need to be aware of in finances. Each of the areas expands. You can then filter it by date range. If you go to all owners here, that would be if you were a managing agent. You can separate it by the landlord. You can also separate it by the property as well. So there's a number of things you can do with it that I'll go into on a case-by-case basis. But that is the financial area. Very straightforward, very easy to use, all driven around trying to give you an oversight of what your property portfolio is looking like from a P&L perspective. So I'll be jumping in soon again with a video that focuses on owned properties. I'll then do another one on managed, and then finally one on a master lease or rent-to-rent. But that is the finance panel.